Hi everybody, welcome back again. This is regarding the Halloween build for 2023 put on by Russell's Model Cars. It's October 30th today, Halloween is tomorrow night. I think I can still squeak in under the wire. I had originally planned to do the drag hag kit, the Weirdos drag hag, but I was talking with my friend Dario at Dario's Model Builds, and he had this tester's kit, the Weirdos, and I preferred this version better than the drag hag version. So we traded. This one hasn't been opened yet, so I'm going to build that later on. I don't think that would qualify really for a Halloween build. That's more of a sort of the 50s or 60s style clothes and hairdo. So Dario was over in Japan a few weeks ago and visited the Tamiya store there, the large Tamiya store, brought me back a few souvenirs, a little keychain, and he gave me a little button he made up of his caricature for his YouTube channel. And as you may have seen, he did a Halloween group build. He built a little minion figure, and the Oshima minion figure, and he brought back one for me, the Kevin figure. Minion figure. So that's, I think I'll do that. I'm going to try and do that for my Halloween group build this year. Hopefully that's acceptable. It's all in the package here. It's all molded in color, and like Dario's, I just probably just take an hour or two to snap it all together, and we'll be able to finish that off pretty quickly. It's molded in the minion colors, of course, red, sort of blue and yellow. A little bit of base, some other figures pieces there. There's a little decal sheet, some eyes, and not sure what the others are there. We'll find out as we go along. And of course, Japanese instruction kit. So that's basically just all the parts. So stay tuned, and we'll try and put this together. And this will be my entry for the 2023 Halloween group build, hosted by Russell's Model Cars.